Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. You know what it is because you've seen the title. Mr. B was very naughty and bought me a pair of blazers. I have had a sneaky peek at them, but we're going to unbox them properly. Let's go over here to this camera and do the things that we normally do here on Pint of Stuff. They are a Nike SB. There we go. Nike SB box. They are a Nike SB Zoom Blazer mid-edge L for leather. What is the hand movement behind the screen, Mr. B?
All we can see is a box.
Do you want to... Oh, God, right. They're a Nike SB Blazer mid-edge L for leather. They're orange safety, lucky green. They are UK 6, European 40, US men's 7, US women's 8.5. Let's go back to the middle camera. Jeez, it's all going horribly wrong here on Pint of Stuff. Mr. B did also buy me some new socks as well. Look at these. These are epic. Like, I love stance socks. I've got some Captain America socks because we're watching the Falcon and the other thing on Disney at the moment.
Winter Soldier!
That's it! The Falcon and the Winter Soldier on Disney. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Now, you all knew I didn't really like the edge. Then I bought the pink and the black pair and loved them. Then these came out and I was like, oh God, not another pair I like. Boom, here we are, people. So these are the Blazer Edge. They're leather, which is why I like them, not the canvas. Not such a fan of the canvas Blazer Edges. So that's the University yellow and the lucky green. Then you've got the safety orange here with this nice blue suede patch here. Then that green swoosh at the front. The colorway on these just pops so much and just works. Like, I really, really liked them. I wasn't going to buy them myself, which is why Mr. B bought them for me. Because he's like, oh, if you don't get them, you'll regret it. No, 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 no. And I was like, yeah, but I really don't want to spend the money on them. But here we go. Naughty Mr. B, but thank you. Round the back there, you got Nike in blue stitching. Really nice blue there. It's not the sort of hyper blue that they normally, that hyper royal blue that I'm not a fan of. That's just a really nice blue. And then you got the white tumbled leather. Super, super nice. And offset with this white midsole, then the gum, which just makes these for me. You've got to love a bit of gum and the traditional Blazer gum sole. Just super, 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 super nice sneaker. And we're going to go over to this camera here. Let's bring up this one just so you can have a proper look. Look at that orange. It is so nice. The orange just really, really pops against that green stitching. The de-stressed, can't talk today, stitching. Then if you flip it round, you've got that lovely, that golden yellow. And the green, which is reminiscent of the Oregon colorway, which I love anyway on sneakers. Then you've got the green swoosh, the oversized swoosh on the front, that patch of blue. And as I said, that bit at the back. These are super, super strong. I'm just going to have a quick look back to the middle, Mr. B, while I examine the sneakers. Just going to have a quick look. There wasn't really anything that wrong with my others. I was really, really, really picky in the unboxing bid. There's a couple of glue marks around the toe box, but that's about it. Just a super nice pair. I didn't realise as well when I got my others how much I would wear them. They've basically become my go-to pair of beaters, which isn't what I planned. Now there are alternate laces. This really, really nice baby blue. Now I love baby blue. Mr. B's given me the thumbs up to go with this colour in there, but I don't know. I think that against that doesn't really go for me, but it's a really nice colour. You like, if you flip it round, it goes with that side.
And then the back.
And the back.
It's the same.
It is the same sort of blue. But yeah, really, they're just nice. I don't know about the laces though. I think I might keep these white.
What's the double tongue?
The double tongue, Mr. B, is... Let's let's come in. So you've got the Nike SB tongue there, which is navy and red, which is the same navy as the navy on the back there, that bit there. And then the inner tongue, because there's 2 tongues on these, on the blazer edges, so you take one out. It's the nod to the deconstructed and DIY-ness of skate sneakers. And then on the inside, you've got this really nice baby blue. Can you see that on the blazer edge tongue? Just super, super nice colourway, right? Real strong colourway. And then on the inside, now this is kind of what else put me off about the original blazer edges, is the inside is this really weird, it's terry toweling again, like on the, let's come up to this camera. You can see that? It's green, but it is definitely that weird sort of terry toweling type material, which is fine on these darker colours. This green may show the dirt, which is why I don't like it on the white sneakers, because it shows the dirt loads and just looks a bit grotty. But yeah, that's my only sort of moan on these, is that they've used that material there. But apart from that, these are banging blazer, people. Absolute banging blazer. It does kind of feel that these should have come out probably January time. These are like a good winter blazer, I think. But yeah, big fan of these. I am glad Mr. B got them for me, even though you're naughty behind the camera there. Very, very naughty, Mr. B. The thing is, as well, I've had these for about 2 weeks and I haven't had time to unbox them, and I've been desperate to put them on my feet. So now I've unboxed them, we're going to quickly take some pictures, and then we're going to walk the dog so I can actually finally wear them, because they kind of go with my sweater, my anti-hero sweater. So yeah, really like these. Big fan of these. I know lots of you have been asking for on feet footage. There is no on foot footage in this video. If you want to see these on foot, go to our Instagram stories, because there will be some on there. But yeah, big fan of these. Did you pick these up? Have there just been too many of these blazer edges dropping? Because there's been, is this the 5th pair in this pack? 5th, 6th pair? There's been a fair few. The Viotech, the pink, the grey, these, I can't remember. Yeah, there's been a fair few. Like ESB, we keep saying it, they are going strong on the blazer this year, so interesting to see what else drops. But that is it from me. Not a lot else to say. Super clean blazer. Big fan of these. Can't wait to get them on foot. Look at them. They look amazing. Let's just take another look. They do look so good. Actually, that blue lace is sort of growing on me now. I don't know. We'll have to see. So if you are new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video the old thumbs up, leave us a comment below. Do you like these? Don't you like these? Have you picked them up? Have you not picked them up? Let us know in the comments below. And if you don't already, come along and join us on Sundays for Sneaker Streaming Sundays, where we talk about sneakers, what's been in the news, and what you out there, yes, you have been wearing on your feet on the old gram. So yeah, that's at 8 PM here in the UK, which is about 12 o'clock lunchtime on the Pacific coast, and 3 PM on the West Coast. It's a lot of fun, so come along and join in. I'm going to go now because I really want to get these on feet. I might even crack out the new socks as well. And yeah, check out the next video, which is probably about here somewhere. Probably another blazer video, probably me talking nonsense about blazers. Yep, over and out.